Hello everyone. Once again welcome to the Dubai's World channel. Today I'm here with a very known topic. What is corona? Everyone knows that the coronavirus caused a pandemic to the whole world, and we also know that every person in every place everyone is facing this in a very bad way. So today I'm here with add on some more points or idea. Actually, there are so many people like they don't know actual what the virus is. So as a microbiology student, our teachers effort put so much effort to know to make us aware about this virus, this bacteria, but there are so many people they don't know exactly what is the virus. So I'm here with the topic what is corona. I just want to say please be safe and be at home. Today I want to say some points on that and make everyone understand that what is exactly corona is. It's caused a infectious disease ranges from a mild to the lethal. It caused a pandemic, as we know it's caused a pandemic in all over the world. But how it's transmitted from place to place by aerosol, droplet and contact. In this video I'm going to share about what is coronavirus and the transmission of this virus and the symptoms of this virus and the prevention of this virus. Before no before we should start about the corona, I want to give some little bit intro. It's a RNA virus that's derived from a Latin word which means a crown or wreath. It was first coined by June Almeida and David Terrell, who first discovered and studied human coronavirus in 1960. Its appearance of a virus are given by electron microscopy, and the morphology is that it have a spikes piplomas which contain a protein that is nothing but the antigen that attract that bind to the human antibodies. When it will bind to the human bodies, that causes so much of inflammation or a different kind of effects. That's why a person having a different kind of symptoms. Today we'll see the in this we'll see the infections of human, how this virus causing infections. This is mostly cause a respiratory tract infection. Maybe it's a common cold, or if it's lethal, it causes SARS, MARS, and COVID-19. This SARS was discovered in 2013, which causes severe acute respiratory syndrome. Actually, when it enters, it first affect the nose, then it affect the throat, and then it affect the lungs. Now we'll see that how it's affecting each one. First, in through this diagram, I want to say that how it is enter to the human body. Once it enter to the nose, it only in the nose it can be uh, it can be treated with a steam inhaling or taking a vitamin C, and that is not a symptomatic, that is a asymptomatic, so it can be treated. But if it once it enter to the throat, it cause swollen throat or a sore throat. That will also, it can also recovered from after a 1 days or 1 days, and with the help of hot water gargle and the warm water to drink. If a temperature, if maybe the when it enter to the throat, if temperature is there, a person can take paracetamol, vitamin C and B complex. But if it is in lungs, it reach to the lungs, it causes a coughing and breathlessness 4 to 5 days. At the time, a person should be given a vitamin C, B complex, and this oximeter should be necessarily taken to check the oxygen pulse rate, or how much oxygen content is there, how it transmit from one place to another. If an infected person, modes of a transmission here, it can be transmitted by a droplet transmission, it can be transmitted by contact transmission, it can transmitted by aerosol transmission. In droplet, if an infected person is sneeze or cough and it ingested by a normal individual, it's cause a COVID. If a contact, if some person sneeze or cough at the spite at the place, and another person who don't have, if it will touch, this can also cause. Here we'll see what if happen after this. If most common symptoms of this is fever, dry cough, tiredness, breathless. But less common is sore throat, diarrhea, loss of a taste or smell, headache, rashes on the skin, or aches and pains. Mostly this is having a headache that person having. So before if some person is getting this type of symptoms, they should, what they should prevent. Now they should before coming, if some person is coming in the contact, they should do the clean your hands with this used soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from another people who have been the coughing and sneezing. Wear mask is very important. Please once a person will come in the contact if a covid positive, at the time they should not touch your eyes, nose, mouth. Cover your nose in with the mask, and this do this five to help or to stop, do this five to stop this corona. Hand wash, elbow cuff into it, face don't touch it, feet stay more than 3 meter up, 3 feet or 1 meter apart. Feel sick, please be at a stay home. Now I put on some video to show that elbow cuff into it and the face don't touch it, and along with that space stay. This is according to WHO, the 6 feet meter should be maintained. And if you are not feeling well, please be at the home or stay at a home. And this avoid close contact with the people who have this kind of symptoms. Here there is no specific treatment for this, but self care and medicinal treatment can be taken to just treat it. According to the WHO, or all over the world, they all are on the, they are doing some trial for a vaccines or a device, or they are doing a home isolation. In a home quarantine schedule, this chart should be shared for each and every people who don't know actually what they have to do at a home isolation. They should do yoga, they should take hot water, they should uh, drink lukewarm water. They should not come in a contact with the people who have coughing and sneezing. They should prevent eating anything that is so cold that can cause a cough and sneezing. Here the some of the under trial vaccine is there. Covaxin is India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech is developed, but this is not a using now. It's under the trial. Here there are so many countries are developing the COVID vaccines, but all are under the trials. Everyone wants mm, everyone wants the vaccine, but all are in the under the trials. Here the some of the under trial devices like Cycone, it was developed in Bangalore, a device with the ability of 99% effective in neutralizing the spike or protein that are present in a coronavirus. As we know, there is, as I already discussed, that the corona having spikes on that, which only able to bind with the human antibodies. So this device is neutralizing the spike of a antigen that are present on the human body. Here I have some video for our heroes with corona, who are fighting for us, who are doing everything for us to save us. I just want to tell them a very thank you to help us or to cure us, that we are we can feel that we are safe and we can be at the home. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends.